beautiful people, to another episode of Comfort Foods Kitchen. Today we're going to be making beans and rice, and the side dish is going to be plantain. So let's get started. I'm going to be using canola oil, salt. We have our plantain. I'm going to be using 2 plantain, rice, white rice, onion, and beans. These are called honey beans. They're from West Africa, but you can use any beans. So let's go ahead and get started on this. First thing we're going to do is rinse our beans and make sure we have no dirt in our beans. No dirt, no little rocks. Make sure everything is good. This seems to be good right here. Okay, get these out of the sink. Alright. We're going to go ahead and put this in some water that is already hot. And just enough water to cover the beans. Okay, we're going to add some onion. Now the beans I put in here, there was about a half a cup of beans. Now the beans that I'm making is for 2 people, 2 to 3 people. And right now I'm putting in about 1/4 of a cup of onion diced. Okay. And then I'm going to let this cook for 20 minutes. We're going to start on our plantain. So we cut the ends off of the plantain. And then we split, not all the way through, just through the peeling, you know. And we peel this back. See how easy that is for that peeling to come off. Same thing for this one. Now I'm going to cut mine in a diagonal shape. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Okay, that's good. Now, what we're going to do is sprinkle a little bit of salt over it. And what the salt does is bring out that natural sweetness. It draws those juices out of the plantain and makes that taste so much better. Let's see if our pan is hot. Our pan is hot. And we're going to add our plantain to the pan. What we're going to do after we put all these plantain in, we're going to let it cook on one side until it's golden brown. Then we're going to turn it over to the other side. So it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes for it to completely cook. And I'll be right back with you. Alright, welcome back. Just like I said before, it takes about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. I've turned them over. I'm going to let you see what they look like here. All nice golden brown. Look, to keep them from absorbing any more of this grease. The paper towel is going to absorb the grease. So, folks, don't forget to like me, subscribe to my channel, and share me with your friends. I'll be right back with you. Okay, welcome back, folks. Now it's been 20 minutes on low heat. So now we're going to add our rice. This is 1.5 cups of rice. Like I said, I'm making enough for about 3 people at least. I'm going to stir this rice around. The rice has already been rinsed. All the starch has been taken out of the rice. And I'm going to then add less than 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm going to add some water. Enough water to cover the rice. Enough water to cover the rice. And then we're going to leave that on for another 20 minutes. And I'll be right back with you. Welcome back, folks. It's been 40 minutes. And, you know, depends on the beans that you're going to be using. It may take a little bit longer. These beans only take about 20 minutes to cook. And then I add the rice. And that takes another 20 minutes in with the beans. So now, see how it's fluffy? Everything is separate. And it's ready to serve. Now the best part, folks, the taste. Yes. Okay. Let's taste a little bit of this rice and beans. Yes, indeed. A little bit of plantain. This is delicious. All right. Now for my vegans, this is one of the perfect dishes for you. It's no meat, no meat byproducts. No beef or the chicken bouillon. And some people that eat meat, they will eat the red stew. This is another recipe for another day. So don't forget to like me, subscribe to my channel, press the bell beside the subscribe button, and share me with your friends. And I can't wait to show you another dish next week. I think we'll go Asian. See you next time.